Hey guys, Thomas Baca Barber. I'm back with another video. Here goes the buzz cut with the number 1. You guys asked for it, you wanted it. Here it is. Who said my haircut wasn't epic because it was 13 minutes? It's that's already epic that you could even do a haircut like that in 13 minutes.
Right.
It's also epic that you could make the money that I made in 13 minutes.
Right.
It's also epic that whoever said that has no subscribers. Guys, look, just hold the head, take the number 1, make sure you get everything on the top. That's a key secret to any buzz cut. It's real easy. Understanding where to put the plastic guard on the cranium. Look, float it right here, real nice. You know, just coast it onto the head like that, real nice. Look, guys, it's real easy, guys. Look, just like that. Nothing changes. Look, and I come up to about right here, guys, because let's get real, the bottom is going to go away anyway. Guys, with your razor fade, if you want to come up with this, blend up to a point right here and then kick off, you can do that. If you want to go straight in with a straight blade, you can do that. It makes no difference. You know, I've heard all the time the whole thing of, oh yeah, oh brother, I just use the straight blade and I don't use any electric razor. I don't. It's like, okay, cool. I don't care about anything other than the end result. So it's like if the end result is fire, then that's elite. Hey guys, be you. That's your only superpower that you have. Make sure to use it. Guys, I've been cutting hair back to back since 7 in the morning. It's 1 o'clock. Still going strong. Guys, when it comes to the barbering, I'm like the machine. And I'm still going to kickboxing tonight, guys. So, you know what I mean? What do you think about that?
From what I've seen of OTs, it looks a lot better than the sandbar used to be.
Yeah, guys, check out OTs and everything. It's right there on San Mateo. If you're in the Albuquerque area, it's an Overtime Sports Bar, and it, like Matt said, it's better than Sneakers was. It's elite. We're having fights there tonight. If anyone wants to roll through. Just look it up if you're in Albuquerque, and if you're in Albuquerque and you watch this video, oh, you won't see it in time because I'm not going to publish it. Sorry, guys. I'll publish it on Tuesday. Unless Matt says to give it to you guys early, then I will. This is Matt, guys. He came through to do the buzz cut for you guys, so it's like, here it is. Yeah, shout out to the homie who said it was a number 3 on top. You wanted to see the number 1. This is it. Told you that Matt was coming on Saturday. It's Saturday. I'm a man of my word. Maybe I'll even host the video tonight, guys. Make it a premiere in the evening. Who knows? What's the name of their gym? Donald's Gym.
Isn't it Absolute ABQ or ABQ?
Yeah,
Absolute?
hey guys, Absolute Fitness in Albuquerque. And make sure to, if you want to go to a sick-ass gym, that's where we go. So make sure you go there.
It's actually just down the road from.
What's up, dude? You want to
OTs.
get a haircut? What's up, Santi? Come and look over here. See, come see yourself so you can see you later. Watch. Come right over here. Let me show you something. Watch. Come here, Bubba. Look. Just because you'll enjoy this later since you were on there. Look. Here he is. Look it. You're on TV.
Say wave.
Wave hi to the people. Say something to them. Look.
Say hi.
Hey, guys. How's it going? How are you doing? This
shy.
is Santi. Look at his awesome hair, guys. Look up close at his hair. Look. Tell me. Look at how sick his hair is. That guy's hair is awesome, dude. So that's him right there. There you go. See, dude? He's playing basketball, guys, so that's Matt's son. That'll be cool because that homie's on film, and then we'll see that when he's even older. That's going to be fire, dude. Shout out to Santi. When you get older, I hope you're watching this, dude. I was like, oh, yeah. Shout out to Santi. One day you'll be in this chair. Getting a sick old scissor haircut too. High end. Guys, I'm taking it on the buzz cut, the lineup, and then I'm going to really concentrate, and I'm going to do Matt's beard and other things, and you guys won't even see that, but I'm going to do that for him. Look, with the lineup, do it minimal to the hair, guys. Like, you want to start here, you can start there and then corner off. If you're really experienced, and sure, you can start right over here. Just have that. And look, you can see where his hairline is here. You don't need to go in. It's real simple. Just come right here, measure it, and then that's it. And look, I'm going to doctor all that up with a straight blade anyway. But look, this, I'm going to show you how you do this. Buzz cut with a razor fade, and watch, look at this. Now I can come and I have something to work with. I can just come right over here, hold the clipper in reverse, and just come right here. And then now I can make sure you're using the heel of the clipper, the side of the clipper, the side of the clipper. It just comes out straighter like that, guys. It's the side of the clipper like that. I'll be in Japan, guys, November. If anyone's watching from Japan, I will be out there November 11th for the World Haircut Jam in Japan, guys. So if anyone is out there, reach out to me. I'll give you a free haircut. Did you hear him? Did you hear what Santi said? It was like, hi. Now he's starting to, it's like. Well, someone asked if my barber chair turns. Guys, look, yes, I'm allowed to turn them like this. And if I want to be lazy, I can go like that, and then I can go like this, and I can play the game of flipping him back around. I don't want to make love to him, so it's like I walk around him. Sorry, guys. But yes, I'm aware of turning the chair and how to do it. And you guys remember I've been doing it for 25 years. It was...
Honestly, it's weird when they turn you around like all crazy.
Yeah, I don't like. It's like it's like damn, you're on a roller coaster. It's like
you're also changing the light source.
Exactly. That's another good point, guys. You're switching that light source. I do like to keep it consistent with that source for sure. You saw what walked by. It's like my God.
Right.
I'm gonna bring that video game back so I can have the kids playing that. I'll put it back over there.
The Galaga one?
Yeah, just because it doesn't need to go at the house. It needs to come back over here where it was. I'll bring that back immediately. Guys, look, and I shaved the side of his head with a shaving cream that I make every single day. And like I said, I'm gonna have his beard on fire. You guys aren't gonna see it, but just because that way me and Matt could talk or whatever, I turn on the music and everything. YouTube will monetize if we don't. And so what's up with you, Matt? You guys just going to the softball thing? And...
Yeah, my daughter has 3 games today.
Oh, nice. Sick.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, so you'll be up there all night.
Till about like a little after 6 maybe.
And where is she now? Is she already over there? Or
Yeah.
with the school or?
No, it's her mom's weekend.
Oh, nice. Oh, but you guys will head over there now?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
I was slacking though. I actually won an award a week and a half ago.
For what?
So the New Mexico Healthcare Association holds a best of best for healthcare.
Yeah.
And I actually won Manager of the Year.
Oh, no way. Sick.
Yeah.
Damn, that's it. No way, dude. Damn, that is intense.
Yeah.
Damn, Manager of the Year. Congratulations. Jeez, that is sick. And when did this happen?
Like a week and a half ago, like on a Wednesday.
Sick.
And he was going to leave me at home, and he's like, I'm up for an award.
I didn't know if he could go or not.
Can I go? I would like to cheer you on.
Oh, nice. Sick. So, see, guys, his wife even wanted to be there. That's elite.
I was looking scrubby though. My hair was obviously long.
You should already came right to you.
But yeah, so it was pretty cool. Yeah, I was working from home. So this is my first week back. I was working from home.
Wait, why?
Sarah had surgery a couple weeks ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I was taking care of them too. She has a lifting restriction.
Oh, she has a what?
Lifting restriction.
Oh, wow.
She can't lift more than 5 pounds.
Oh, yeah, then you better not do that for sure.
Yeah, so I was just taking care of her.
You can hurt yourself if you
for sure
lift something more than that, tear something there.
Yeah, so yeah, that's my first week back. So
I keep forgetting though that you deal with all that, so I was like, yeah, what? I was like, geez.
yeah, it was nice though being home for a couple weeks.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, nice that she got to have you in home taking care of her.
Yeah. It was nice though. It was at Isleta Casino.
Oh, sick. You can wash his hair if you wanted to.
Nah, he has product and stuff in his hair.
All right.
He got some mousse.
And watch. Look at this, guys.
Right?
Look at that, guys. There it is, buzz cut, razor fade, everything. Boom. Thank you guys. If you guys like this, like and subscribe. Look at my shop. And I appreciate you guys. Thank you.